This week at the Supreme Court, the Supreme Court has ruled that all overseas Filipino workers must be covered under the Social Security System or SSS, but prohibited government agencies from requiring the payment of SSS contributions before issuing an Overseas Employment Certificate or OEC. The court en banc, through Associate Justice Maria Filomena D. Singh, struck down as unconstitutional Rule 14, Section 7, Paragraph 3 of the implementing rules of RA 11199, which require the advance payment of SSS contributions. Migrante International and other petitioners challenged the law and its IRR, claiming they discriminate against land-based OFWs who should not be treated as self-employed nor required to pay their employer's share since they have foreign employers. The court ruled that the Foreign Affairs and Labor Departments bear the responsibility of securing agreements that ensure proper collection of employers' share in SSS contributions. It added, tying the OEC issuance to SSS contributions contradicts the principle of protecting workers' rights and violates the right to travel for land-based OFWs. The SC has affirmed the graft conviction of former Pagsanjan Laguna Mayor George ER Ejercito Estregan for illegally awarding a contract to an unlicensed insurance company without public bidding. In a decision written by Associate Justice Ricardo A. Rosario, the SC's First Division found Ejercito and Marilyn M. Bruel, owner of First Rapid Scare Ventures or FRCV, guilty of violating RA number 3019 or the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act. They were sentenced to up to 8 years in prison and permanently banned from holding public office. The SC found that Ejercito knowingly gave FRCV an unfair advantage, bypassing legal procedures and ignoring clear red flags in violation of RA 3019. The court has also affirmed the life imprisonment sentence of Australian Peter Gerald Scully and Filipina Carme Ann Alvarez for qualified trafficking under Public Act No. 9208 or the Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act of 2003. They were found to have recruited two minors aged 9 and 12 for sexual exploitation. In a decision written by Associate Justice Jose Puay Lopez, the SC Second Division found that all the elements of trafficking under the law were clearly met. It fined each of them 5 million pesos and ordered to pay each victim 600,000 pesos in damages. The SC emphasized that the essence of trafficking is the act of recruiting or using, with or without consent, another human being for sexual exploitation. It is sufficient that they were proven to have lured, enticed, and transported their victims for sexual exploitation. New judges on Thursday and Friday took their oath before Chief Justice Alexander G. Gesmundo. 111 new judges were recently appointed to serve in regional trial courts, metropolitan trial courts, municipal trial courts, municipal circuit trial courts, and municipal trial courts in cities across 10 regions, including the National Capital Region. Meanwhile, the Office of the 2025 Bar Examinations Chairperson, Associate Justice Lazaro-Javier, has issued a notice to the 2025 bar applicants regarding the conduct of a preferred exam venue reselection process. Applicants who have successfully submitted and paid their applications to take the 2025 bar may choose their preferred exam venue through the Barista online platform starting March 28, 2025 at 8 o'clock a.m. until April 2, 2025 at 5 o'clock p.m. And finally, a painting exhibit is currently on display at the Supreme Court main building lobby in Padre Faura, Manila, featuring the artworks of young survivors of sexual abuse under the care of the nonprofit organization Cribs Foundation, Inc. All proceeds from the sale of the artworks will go directly to the foundation to support their programs for abandoned, neglected, and sexually abused children. In partnership with the Office of Justice Singh, the foundation also held a forum entitled Art of Healing as part of the celebration of Women's Month. And that's your Supreme Court this week. I am Tiff Atendido Beltran, Supreme Court Information Officer.